Picture this: a cozy corner filled with sunlight, a steaming cup of coffee in one hand, and in the other, a book. This seemingly simple object is a powerhouse, capable of expanding your mind, fueling your dreams, and transforming your life. Today, let's explore why reading isn't just a pastime, but a key to unlocking self-improvement and lifelong learning. Close your eyes and imagine stepping through a gateway into another world, a place where ideas spark like fireworks, where challenges turn into opportunities, and where every page is a chance to discover something new. That's the magic of books. Reading is not just about words on paper, it's an immersive experience. It calms the mind like a serene forest walk, sharpening your focus while soothing your spirit. Studies show that regular reading reduces stress and fosters inner peace, much like the gentle lapping of waves against the shore. Some of the world's most successful individuals credit their achievements to reading. Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year. Elon Musk famously said he learned to build rockets by reading. And Oprah Winfrey has built an empire around her love for books. Why? Because books allow us to learn from the experiences, successes, and failures of others. They are wisdom condensed, an opportunity to learn life lessons without bearing the cost of mistakes. Imagine each book as a mentor, guiding you toward your aspirations. Reading isn't just about gaining knowledge, it's about transformation. Here's how it works. Books introduce you to new cultures, ideas, and ways of thinking. Whether it's fiction or nonfiction, they broaden your worldview and spark creativity. Self-help books provide actionable strategies for time management, goal setting, or even overcoming procrastination. Fiction enhances empathy by letting you walk in someone else's shoes, while memoirs inspire resilience through real-life struggles. Did you know that reading strengthens brain connectivity? It improves focus and concentration while fostering critical thinking skills. It's like a workout for your brain, but instead of lifting weights, you're lifting ideas. Now, picture your brain as a dynamic city, alive with a hum of connections. Reading strengthens this city's infrastructure, building bridges between its regions and lighting up pathways like a symphony of neural fireworks. Studies reveal that when we read, multiple parts of the brain synchronize in perfect harmony. The visual word form area, our brain's letterbox, identifies words, while areas like the left angular gyrus and right temporal gyrus process their meaning. This creates a mental map that grows stronger with each book you read, much like a tree adding rings with age. So next time you pick up a book, remember, you're not just enjoying a story or learning new information, you're actively reshaping your brain for long-term growth and resilience. If you're not already a reader, don't worry, it's never too late to start. Here are some tips. Start small, just 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Choose topics that excite you, whether it's fantasy novels or motivational self-help books. Audiobooks are great if you're always on the go. Remember, it's not about quantity, but quality. One good book can change your life forever. So, in conclusion, books are more than entertainment. They're tools for self-discovery, resilience, and success. So pick up that book you've been meaning to read or explore something new today. Your journey to becoming the best version of yourself starts with just one page.